sekerenge lya letre mesa ngana kiyonsi ebugate so maranga abantu goikabaso ke para bagose serikali bona yabire ngane naro ngabono kera kende amagena bono ine renchira yo communicate ngane language ko yuka
Gandrate ikigambiro kuna bono mwasiri musikitire singo sokamba matuka etra mapego akwana kurasi Mombasa chinda mcha Mombasa basi baende baina ne brasime bosirakisha all sime bagandra pare mirimo yabo chinga ki serikali ganto korobekana
kina ndege kogera akorobekana gotahera Kenya asengencho naginate abanga ekadi ekoletwe mesa tali ekadi yani tali good yego so wasiboka kwenkoro wasiboka kwenkoro ngotakeire omanye tena kinate abanga nonenka omonto to chiarenga abamintolera ntokoli nyama nonyarenga esuku ntunto wa fodi nyama ki ebina bibirenga libironge bya Bible baito in other words serikali nero nyandie kolete birenga libi nga serikali nensi bogetepi besanchio gisirete besanchio ba through corruption abakenye bago isaneka for example kera abantu abakolie gazi bakoli nchibesa bamanya konyoranga corruption bamanya kuunges chibesa chire bakuminga chibesa tuali netunjirichi nande chinga ichiaro scandal ya so kinande kwanyora scandal ne we are generating resources for this country we are economic will of this country forward ngango sukitole amagendro yense yego chimoto lakini ntori waka nukene ntantoro rokeli abantu abanga ntoisa negeti ase gasi yitu so again tokera oro ekene ne monande kerekebe lack of transparency transparent asa manganonsi corruption eke ase bitengo byonsi bya serikali tokorra migome
tunga collective bargaining agreements ndachinde aboro kyabamba bwakali baka yuko ligere linako ndo jitwa tore mtajaba kana mapema batara yone birasa badana ki eto igwana na serikali ko jero pali kenege lakini ikana badrika rokyo
ata gete digere ngia so onye kwa moletere digere ngia mesa kwa matebike naye kwanyu chaka ekoro wasu kinga woro tigato sukime tienyewe eta tora sukeri motu tokanyere onde kwanyora serikali ya mona beko kora ega agreement na bakolie gasi asengenje manyitenga gwikama tuko andeka igote wedibano kuno kugena serikali bwato kugena nganje tinkayo ayo na gochimotu ega ko bakebe chilon serikali existing government ya siso nigete ya sawa chilon mchendara kondara kodra bantu bana baraisaneka okugenda kolia awo cha sengenje ya for example na wanu toputo awate ko se ruwaza ya 2030
yes
ekora nande ego kor with a clean heart ango planning ya korosa tuama na kutuana go plan to manyitenga go ikanga krete na watu baito bachenere chiba singa naiga wekanga kigete abantu baito population ya kirire ya renga yo bonda go chimotunga kigo chikoba so lack of that projection to yani okolige likwa matuka make na kwa kugara most African countries chibugate mechande menge igonto tagete abantu with a clean heartinga asitagete ko genda na segete egende goto bolete ase serikali nekerenga nan emaene ebinte bitu arengereire amatuka ngana kibira kolegas so owo konyense ba ko plan was na 100 years pamanye tenga endagera netoke for the next 100 years marwaire nemechando yense for another 100 years so ba allocate resources muna wana go chiase amangana research ngayiga tango keratoke banye na samangana medicine most of the time chiase chira located for research ba ko how can we solve these problems. So most of the time resources chiroro ne chokoligia solutions to probable problems, yani ways and at that time onye ne serikali yes and at that time jitengada akora miaka evere nkorwe.
We are in 2025.
Yes.
Our lecturers every para will protest over the so let's say the government is trying bona ge ba kora maandamano ba chiba sana sikupata
ekero talk planning expect the economy grow. Yani again to go plan yo koronge plan, for example we are expecting to be chibesa kitoba by next year we shall have generated chibesa chisa ina toko ba lakini kwa nyoranga implementation in between ko vitali kuanchera okina we economy yani njere for example ko beke biashara wata banga na beke biashara byati wakana chiloni wasi wakana abantu aba so if we plan well our economy will grow ekere economy okina bona boko nyara ko ikirania magani all the plans chiagendera bona kinale ko morali na kinale ko bolinga ki ekera abantu bakogenda for example state house bateba ne para bawo chikuyororo ya kolete na ande chipara chigo sabwa iko planning. There is no planning in this country because ekere serikali ko plan for a year or for 50 years na and if you go to make for example tuatenga ngantu ende tuaji sabe chibesa chile chiko chwa railway manye planning ya collect
maybe mheshimiwa akusige ebwata some
chibesa chia disaster. Hey imagine stop ya evidence to tebene flood wose to tebene disaster emergency nere rororo igo para teri disaster ngakira ku emergency because para
mna bone mbrego tu nyingo ma itekero enga kyabantu bakumanya mano nchipara nchitakere korosiku sana emergency kera monta uchi sabe para que te
ya rinde
nando mchando noro tora tero ngaki
in the same spirit kera to kwanira mangana ya lecturers and capitation is becoming also a problem. Actually watch as abari mumbataka gutuma bananka capitation iri kibesa kiri kibente ko gwaka kero to genda te kunya gukora sanseme yekisema
again capitation ngakibona mangana kiai ekogera serikali ese budget mire tamu ingima pesa chabo jitayo ngakibare gosoma what has been going on in schools. That's a difficult question. Serikali tagere koligere ndo jenganya serikali itakugandire kabire yongo anda mangana abana manya kubwatera na kwanyoro botako boro abana onkatemeje ona bano abayiboli nande pona sibone yege nande kamanya kobeta bone kalete mangana makong chi promise chi pledge ji ya ko
mangana bona site
bana bana chi pledge ya bana ranga bona
nege donda ke teriyo capitation aboro kia be school abachine secondary mbanya ko ba ko manage no no as a chi aboro kia ba at the same time bagan dinga we tenere muna junior secondary imagine onye ko ibule ndo to bauti katia ba ruba junior secondary na ba mu ba kawaida be imagine ba ga dinga ti eko grade 1
comprehensive school
corona ne karba ku karanga staff room ne karu kuando abali ngaba ikaba
basini karateba ya the other grades yes
junior primary whatever category na ye way forward in every section
I think yokorwa se mangana training abali mu ba abange mbali bagwate banyorire degree nande bareke goriegeke bono kero bagocha banyora bali mu ekegori egekoro ebago feeling abo kegori egekoro ngia somete andake bagochi ko baboli maswali abera atatu banyora bakwereneria enchere I think again don't get it over ka generation gap. E gap nere gatie ke golie ke ya ne ke golie ke koro e ke golie ke yigo feeling ka bwate degree onere ale biya. Lakini bali ko nyoranga baga kambara na ande babwate baka masters lakini baga som primary. Abande ba ko dero ka PhD na
superiority complex.
Superiority complex nere yego chabo. Baba somete buya mbata kera ko primary na ende gente ke ko chamana sengenjo emiaka yonse over the years mtu ana gutwara bali babwati be university wasomi mali yo bacha yete ngane 11 ke patanya ko som na ende training by the serikali bari be miaka so I think as a some training ya bate un primary mucho asomia ella va una emergency tu te van a serikali riba yo plan o para chi emergency yo bona vai casa que te va a dar ngai to ko se va Rusia a ver degree va ver que ko chigai but if they were given adequate preparation vale ko te va a mecha neta que iré at university chipri miaka bago chikwandu abana bago chikwandu miaka ki nke goli kibago chiko kosomia number 1 number 2 neta keire bamanyanga chi primary chibwata abantu para bangaini lakini with the time I think abali mu ababona bali primary abangi ngona basoka bali bago chikotige kigoli ke handle abana ba primary esa chi se chigenderete abantu ba Africa mbata onto osomete mono nere na ndo basomi mwana olio mokemono in other words a professor omonto mongaini mono because a foundation yani omosingi bu asa chinse chigenderete kubwa intuga okoli yo monto bwata masomo makeigo ana basomi mwana ABCD lakini psychological effect yani mechande yo wasomi mwana make nere iye kogera kwali kanyaroka kande igo go ga chona choni katari ku school gacha okolera mwana ga forgetting a foundation
yes
nere ba kobera komo asa abantu bali bagendera ire maitenge emyaka eri emeke nero mwana ko umusingi umuya igo no nyene made atakego anda abantu abangaini bali basomete na batakere kwanduro abana korunze bali batasomete mono bana kwandura abo college university ocha kwandura mwana birebike because psychology mwana birebike kwa bisomeire na junior school na junior ya
thank you mheshimiwa
kwa kwanda bona mwalimu ukasoma grade 2 ari professor from grade 2 akoro professor so and so lakini kaiganto mwalimu professor ta kusoma na class
actually bali tokoteba nga babwate chi law asama soma balense in fact na bakwando bali abake anyway kero togenda te kusanga ke magaiga asense moye nkwana ya getembe kerondo chete chida ke 25 asense meriere di bali bategerete na boko nyarako bagusanga mu 90 terase number 0741583878 onya kubwate boli ndilionsi gose kero utegete gusanga amona 90 nabo okonyarako ba kugusanga weterase getembe TV asense meria Facebook na bago YouTube by the way not live I think ototo asense mo ye TV nabo kwenyuria aba ya abaranyarako baba gusanga amonentu asike kikabonega
onyo muligerige karoga ntego sanga amonentu asenchira yamo gose eyende bokuro karangara kiago na asense mo 0726447367 0726447367 Ruso yo manyiwa mangane chisamina to mwanasiasa kuliko rogo kyo ujumbe wa ase bunge ya umachoke chache para ngokatere
Ngoi katuralie.
ya para tali que nata cosa más era todo oroto jorega que dio nyari ko byanga kiko ra abantu bebunge ya machoke chache
Ya.
Entonces nada te comienza Sam ya aborokia mo que un rosa te brega aborokia venga iba kwa watu kutendeka watu tuna emergency que you are reality
Yeah, sure.
na akakolera ya chinga tu alenge sukuru niko kanyoranga ko kinga kipete sukuru kanyoranga oli kirenga oyo no mwalimu ogosomanga Bachelor of Education primary option Bachelor of Education secondary option Bachelor of Education junior secondary option njare maybe that is the problem bona uno mchando katika
mojare no ruere tabu
na uchimutuga ishwega kato kwa nations to amana student complex and groups complex and a lack of preparations way forward nearly our junior secondary chievu chietenere junior secondary chiganda kwa muna chite chinaweza kwa kia aborokia bagabone kabago from junior secondary bago chikabazi mirete bakaba anjera nenga na bamwe kwa secondary
Because the autonomy. I think we discussed about autonomy. Yani bata toko kugwe tenene la barabwa banyene bata mugwe separate korwa as a primary school the ones we used to have. Yes.
Umaite again take it all boils down to the government. Yani ege kogenda ekero kinga kia Magoa Professor Magoa na gachite birasi vingi sana in secondary schools. Asengenjo JS yatakera ko domiciled kasi yatakera ko toka in secondary schools.
Yes.
Initially system yatakera ko toka in secondary schools. Junior secondary was supposed to be integrated to senior secondary. Lakini lende ekero mangana ya debate yacha ega ikabona bagatebanga yaya one junior secondary tigeira ne primary. So omochando oyo tali mochando chagete igoro omochando ochagete because of planning etaikera ne teach.
So to say again to go to
try and error. So initial planning ebatakete again secondary. Lakini abantu mba kitwaka bakaengera serikali ngaki nonye mwanyiro kangegende secondary emyake ya bana aba terie meke mono magoteba egenda secondary. So serikali ikaingera ari musikeruta saito bwanko agateba bono watebire tigetigare primary. So mechande taringa mbona ya chaka mechande out of planning a system ya planning emyaka nerenge kumeka sege myaka ya renge ko ba 6 3 in senior secondary 3 in senior secondary kogenda mune ngenje kabire. So that problem has been there because of planning naende a problem ye still na bego chiko chanda because again to kia bete no go trubaniwa yani ga trubaniwa ne karutwe kaira ni primary lakini anda serikali inakote ko because ya nyote ngatiri prepared secondary schools jiri prepared wa accommodate abana abati kwa miaka ngal mwana bine bere bya chiko toka
secondary
na abana abanene naende binde ko bi possibly could travel far in secondary schools in far distances. However, bakarame ko mwana no maremono kugenda ekabireyo ega ikirabana serikali gatebanga ko chimbuya nane twale ngetayale tigaba bakole tigaba basoy primary. But again na nyambono we are not very sure ntole metibu yabuya nga abana bakwenda grade 10 nga ki serikali ne school chire prepared ko accommodate. We are not sure at secondary schools ready to accommodate how prepared are they. So we implement the CBC program in grade 10. How prepared are the secondary schools? Still that's a question. So if they are not well prepared now, how prepared were they? You know, that's another question. But again, we're asking CBCs will go through secondary schools. Kichi university chaito kile prepared are they prepared for this new curriculum? That's a difficult question. So a minister with the education nebugate a challenge plus all the stakeholders
by education
koligere living mapema na kuallocate resources kisa ine otherwise chiseme china uchitaikerane kuya muna chat charenga intended na matokeo na watabe alia CBC intended to watch this at the end of the day.
Biamara sana mheshimiwa, and I think Aaron twakwanirie extensively amang'ana yechisemi, and it's because mwalimu invested in education mheshimiwa karo tugukorera. I think bono it's good tuske guchibucio turarigiriri enkwana yende kirondo chetire chidake 32 igoro yechinsa isatu chia bono butuko umwancho morigere no motegereri igo toregaga no mheshimiwa Zakari na boigo sensemo yende harono toto uitu mheshimiwa harono toto, you have not declared anything.
On a serious note, yetalia nengoro kwa harono toto nyangiri ko beka abbreviation HON.
So it's an abbreviation honorable. Oyo no mubasi nacha tatinge kerenga likia keke pero igonga igo kerage chakire igo na chikorwanya ribari nindengerete igo na bashimiwa to patra
abakenya wangu na siasa
tigatraenda sensemo ya siasa kidogo turarigereri ngana ya sensemeri ya siasa tumaitiaro ni ototo nabo ora to introducer ya sensemo ya siasa kero tugende gusanga amono murigeri nabo go mutegerio gateme FM by the inyoranga nabo gusanga amono intwetera se number 0741583878 inase ensemo ye radio na sensemo ye TV tingo toto nabo ko bairesa nabo go chipeji cheto chake tembe TV nabo go Facebook nabo go YouTube
ekimo mwanjo murigeri semo ye TV nabo cha gusanga na into website number 0726 447 0726 namba ya ito kwa ngalimo nyara kwa okubeka ujumbe ya WhatsApp na SMS ose WhatsApp na hatani kwa tonya kinise radio kwa kachinza jeto kwa wale chisimit na kuto kwa igwa ya masemo.
Okay.
Mosi kondo sori tukolia lero wale miwe wata ni wana siasa sana anena mono igoro ya mangana ya bona sichae wana iga abali mibecha engole abali ochikwanda simitanda kwa nyamando wacha kutagura ko to bachichae naro ndaga komba ete gosene kamera mulike koruku so akora bichae
agora bimba serious
na makarago samba ne na wana siasa ba sokru kwani ngende ko kakani ngende take ni mbali
nya kuhigwa
bona snero bono kiro mwana siasa ko sokatenga rigeri yabale fantu nyuna oibaga tayari rigeri yabale
because they are the ones who are in leadership and ototo tiganda komentra ke gona inchentareba. I have seen leaders bago tiankero kungo dandia tokurukanga they are hanging, they are tagging along baraya bambu atibaga bakompe batebenga last time tuwa baende kurwa ase maybe KTDA abanyane babolinga chibona syo mwako nchiri chichi bara contain situation ye maiga batara cha batotebinga gose let me call it taking advantage of the situation aro bago takagocha koro kinga bono mbari part of mwananchi.
Kenya is a country of emergency.
Emergency bonus.
Kerenge ndio ni emergency. Eka ni toje baka na director ala secha. Na bala ko wolinga ngakiwa na magana yari.
So your country of emergencies.
Na paroje bemba they did foresee a situation where abantu bakana aba ngipia sakini. Iko nditayo manyete ngenda iko no boli paka asa serikali ya ngikole lakini ende ayenda neko nyale kana busia ntua tua kama kiba za chinsi
ni when you compare other places
equality tinga yiwa
amasena to nandi ya kwa natega nataba mkwani cha ende kubeko sukari
kusempara mitazi chichiga bakare gutumika ko tebanga bono ensemo ya usi maybe echaye use yalinga getu use yalinga nchira gete ekagara bake bonus ka chance and what about chisemo chi nari ko karo kurigere mheshimiwa as you also last time it was better off lakini kero kurigereria echaye ria yechisemo chinde komachira ko baiguru ko wetani ya gusigaiga
bone kina gigo to sinyanga ki echaerende onyene lira barikare kurigereria
use the parameters ushiko tumeka nchire chichi
wasene mbeo wasene mbura gete ya ikite cha because onyene clone maruti kiloni kukerase twate awachire limuru bale kwa kiloni gete kwa seni ilawe ni wakale kwa kabale mbake manyete ndigi yako libia lakini ngaibone ko chenjeri ya ligo lilia chenjeri lakini kingo si kwa sene transport wana tokale ale na Mombasa transport yawe nyingi pose toka iwe DVM wana manyetinga ndotagera kwa era subuya asikiba sekitu yiko sirira abali bakwe yagingenje kabireye kero mwaga lakini ande karabe yagiri egentongo sinyo omwaka bono kubwa yaba abali mbiwomanire wana ande bese ko chiko chenyinga wana ndegera inga igentegera ndekere ko ekardo ko doctor
na umusike karoto to kwandego na karongo nyera abantu baite karoto kinete tugine chinga maitenga chinga kichie chae bona tia chae na limukulia kanyama na lia mabati yako akira ni woko kubuga mabugo ba to
in fact yes
na lia bana ba ko gore ruchianga chinge yesu hono yami wega ya change ina sema ya yu akora kana monteria wekre na bona tamu kana tu jeta lazima gete chae ande chae ne aroto ngora tane kuli pogasi ile siria to tane ko tore chae ne aro tore zemu matenga jinga kiche bona chukwa kana no mugake singo matenga era liti na diago sababu si kuba sole ngangwanya kwa tena
igendo kende neke chinga kichia karento bwate anye keringa ne chae re quality ebe nto bwata bantu bangor kwa bagiracha bagetire megondo e chae batanga ki e chae yao nembe asenge jotra bekro boy saine chae yao nembe okobosi megeta matoke e chae me kobosi megeta mete e chae me osmege tingende chae me kwenda anye billions biatigre because nje nanya kora banda bagwetana anye na bigo changie chae ligoli chae liwe amagoso na yango anye talia ya Kenya Tea Development Authority ejwere authority ebwate lieta authority se taito yae
na bagere kere ngento kyo komia asenge enjo yani effort over the years yani era historical emiaka yonsi nga ase region gete goika eli chibasa nyinge gowe region gete na ende bano muna gusindu twaona irumone emiaka yonsi I think oborai where KTDA a region ilikuwa chakerete asabarai ba chakerete ko korwa ebare ko favor abare mibabo bona yabere buna ne enaro yabere buna ne culture ngabona rasima ababari rego ne kawero netana ko tebunge kawe nerense go senere igoro ego enchendigere nga abo bisimboro gete abali mbata kero batebewa anye ne kroni abali mwanze batebewa ngi ya sima kroni gete go sekende gerige go trimboki bona management ya letre disappointment ya letre ko yagyo konge na ro abali mbaito ba ujigo togole kamari ekyo nakina ne ba togora hasta yo babuga option ba ko genda goja ego yego chigo toita mono because Kenya is an agricultural country onye nseta kere gotumia chinguru chia chinyinge no kwegeria abaremi manamone binte cash crops bire ndumono bikonya abantu birete hope asoko generate chibasa cha Kenya
personal meshibiwa kigandango na chuma italanta bangi mbwate no shininga kero part of the government na yo konyana na magendero bibi achire kukuruhusia na ndio part of that government
no abu esa mangane kwere nengo na chaya ke no mo ske ndo satara yoneli Rift na Nyanza ro Rift yeto kwa na muna chinza machi kericho mo senator yo mo bwage telio kikipinga bakagi maimeye senate nigakuru mo senator nandi mo ske Samson ejo mire tinga gente ketari ngikire kya gusioka abantu bapende viteti twali ete chiba chingi je bonus Mount Kenya ngakia gotoru elinde yamya go sene chikiro cheito chiko kimundu chikali chingusu eso kuma kwa nematenga cha ni chikire kopima no mukarani uri kopimia cha naro cha yego ne bwendete wose bwendete
ingine to kare janto badi na muga kesimi actually yabali mina ubale the most affected kwa sababu na ile conversation ile ya other day and bali bali bahenga wetera sana 0741583878 na mosanga online tulega ekere mobole maswali bono mushimo na njiri swana ariko ngaki for the longest time twarenge quality yomo ye chago chausi yerense what is the role of the leadership nkimatanya kuchira manyina ki bonuses than usigaiga bokatenga yaya the type of work maria kolete bonus nyinge neye enamba yakabere umete you see agriculture is developed does the county government have a hand yasenseme yecha kwa sababu na barabu na ukakwenda
as over wana tindara agriculture is developed lakini tindara mangana yobole mimono ko promote mangana ya agriculture muneta keire muna bana gusi nense ko bwachi sema chinde why I say that emburo to bwate 20 matuka etata to ogwa gusi bacha kire kole ni omogusi no yo Nairobi ekarago wake simigo chanka egenda kora boli ngambwa kire embura ya tu yani embura na gusi eine naro ya itu lakini ntora county government koriye nchera yo gotumia kibasa chiaye ko sensitize abalemi batali abecha eboka nona bonye birengererio ngambole mikibotakere gokorwa obole miboragere kibesa chiche ase account ndo bwate lakini abo eteme bondo kwaro lebituma bisimekire bituma bibalirete ebituma bikomeire matagataga amatoka arabu amatoka atalendiri serikali netakire ko introduce a breed government era kolego county government bamne ya kisi chinse monjiro chiko generate matoka maya chinse monjiro chiko nya muna avocado ekwama everywhere in kisi lakini abalemi babo ikoyo kera babo arosiri paka chi union chiko rwane robole mwa avocado for export intuga ega tosimega avocado omwana akoli na igoro gakurugoro obunekira magongo
tari umwana bwega none nyumba cha zago rune chibo kadi ya baba ko jika na moranga no monta ko saisi to kumna ko bana anya nebi ngombe ama chambu po ngombe tutu bota kurusio botaka sensitization neta keire anya na bali mbaito baimokigu bairwa asebi meligete abole migete bagokoruya bagenda baligereria bairana n'ekisemi kisaine asengenje population ya gusiya ndata komentekana nemegondo tari komentekana ebintu mbire cultural farming practices chingiya obolemi obuya botakere ko ba introduced gusi asake na atara gochi asomosike Fredo Bach Machoka boyeka nganyoro bole myaka ta sense roro ali sinya ngokuminga ngokorusha bale mbaito gusi achaba abaro kinga abantu bakole meroro and they are generating a lot of money mbura teyo mburo mwa komo gimayanya kajiada lakini bole mbakole no bo kume chibasa chiko produced internet bwate mbura throughout tubugaterira balito throughout neta kere county government eligelinga enchera yamuyo ko increase revenue no go siri enchera gusi no go create employment muna wana sabanta bake bali basomera agriculture mbata kere ba motivated lakini naende bana tonyora ngagusia sema magendera ito naende gento to gotamera mono nganenda mwamu ne mokere village ngatogo tuga ngombe ngatogo karabole bana tokuminga na maende bana ni mai tima dinga masiko toto kia ni mai singi kereke ya ndila ke to change elinde tole to bonda angenanka ense change onye no bole mitokoro buha onye ne bingombe biri to change onye ne chaye to kwane onye karenga nchira ne to change tori yenjira to ko change bole moito bwe chaye onye marketing ya sinyire to chora abantu baga to kara marketing bale tebes lakini ne kara to complain every time and again igoro ye chaye
twachora aba director bacha niki sera chingi ya twakachengo genda bono lazima
muri 25
muri ere wono ntati no 50 chingoro nande bako genda mbao china bato chachi ino konya mo genda baka ngumbura ne mo sto kare igomba takere baira neka aba director bono iga it's the right time yoko so aba ya de jibas jasi rede chitaige de gusi.
And don't you think this would be a Muara una tua nyolenke bono ngwanda tro correct ngwanda tro commenta ti it would be a campaign tool
balemi baba se boto golecha
ndenga makosa
ruerete arole kanenga next time nguchara ka correct
no mai temo shimi wegente ke ngokora maybe libere ndichirike ke nande those with another bonus.
Yes.
That's another one full year.
Yes.
So my concern was now, where is the position of the county government? Because actually, it's going to promote agriculture. What is it doing?
But bona abu ekero muskondo sako chiko chakati again tungere ko nga KTDA ejuma tene para stato emineti nga nono mugafana nabata ende ko chiko kuswana nese ebindo mu director akora nandi bodi ne gato kuri gari ya quality ngenda na karengere sana seke kasana ndubuga tundu bali ndubuga factory ya Nyamache ndubuga factory ya Tendere ngoya gumas kentende roguro factory ya Tendere factory ya Chinibere echaye akonyoranga umuntu naroro tota futuro do for example umuntu naro omenyete chinse mochia Nyansara okuru echaya abugate chinamba ibira bote inamba yemo Tendere abugate namba yemo Nyamache so etundu bali ya Nyamache irangabu netundu bali ya Tendere irangabu bona echaya ngo endere chitundu bali echons it's a possibility ninge ndokere reality tari possibility ninge ndokere reality kere on the ground yamye gotoka nga Tendere ya retire siringi 10 Nyamache ya retire 12 Tendere ya retire 15 Nyamache ya retire 17 bona kama tetoro twadipangire nande notion yenga necha ya rengembe Ikana sisa mechi. How do you explain that?
That's why kama ni tasi chikago tumeka wate bana bono intende si ebona ya comment Nyamache it's all yengu siba
ngale sonia mutu
lira banelimo
eno anyine even did into kwanta kumanyanga into parameters kinji chikutumika kuleta na ya bonus and why can't we encourage our minaki yeah actually abukato ebwata rigori ne yonekani kunga let them that type of venture we increase our chances because unaona mheshimiwa let me tell you abagoli abantu bona yankora bale already kumeko kungete mbali ba semret in fact ba ngete promise yasa unaona capitation tu mtu wanye kwa chise kwa ndo ba ya gaki ono mutini be bonus nira kego ana bali nakyura nyar bali bayire temara ke ne bonus ko
boche na batu era ngara bana ba sanji kali boche na batu era ngara to katanga ya tikatoka nyomo tenyi kome tiba sango jechira bana jiba sia to bali bana bible nande bayire ne goja ko rastro
bono incheso ko lengere likwana from where I stand solution chinyinge cha Kenya jira saba na siasa na namna wana siasa bali bara office kwa ngia bajumbe basi kwa 3G ko for example yo koligere lyo mulemi na bali ko konyo mulemi osena na ba msiye basi kwa 3G konya na mangana yo mulemi na bali ko konyo mulemi ndike batangite bakumanya mbona ngana bakwa na matangana lira matangana linge chinza mo abantu abange bana siasa bange babu batena kwana niko bakwana ule bonus bayara sone bonus ya bakine tuya lakini batabo kire babo kire umuntu ramugiri anyal ringa
emergency
ya so way forward nearly bona abuna to kujitokera tutanga ki umuskonduso no ya mabole olio obwateganga yoko service umwana siasa arokenya muna kweburu no mwana siasa ole muna kweburu mwana mwana siasa bona ko so active bone ali tete ojikolgie karogo agere onyo libagali okora abakenya a solution nearly from where you sit nande ekarora tebe nganja chinde kwanya libageliga toira na maiga agera tanga ki ni mototara ikiraga eso kole solution tara manyu muligera linga amos kondo songa yakoru na ndingi keke insa chinde kerenge kabwa tne kirobo gafa na ko libo chumbe ko sino kwa msi ya kira to makera na gese solution bana
miyama maralia nje nkorwa ese a constituency ya Machoge Church ndobwate Machoge borabu na Machoge Church njibona ngorwa sensema ya Machoge Church ne kerenga kiane kyoborwaneri wa siasa aboraso Machoge Church abo asena akorire egasiana yo bwalimu samatuka mange chikuru cyane njire bo basi ekinde njire bo manyi ekinde njire bo Machoge abno nakorire gasi amatuka mange nabantu barorire egasiane engiya I think a problem to bwate Kenya nandi pe to kuchikosuka bono nandi ndo chenga abantu abange basore gutwara borori nto bwate abantu abanyasiasa ababomonwa bobolimo bagwa kamangana kabisa batageti kuligerelinga abantu aba amangana ya naro bakolia wasene ndagera bakolia.
But do you think mheshimiwa in the nature of politics Kenya sotageto mundu watomo from the expectations ya wananchi
mechando nere iba nare gote yomuralinga ki abantu bono barorilenga ki omonwa obuno bolimo boli koleta ndagera mesa na kikwarora nona abana bakikera ba mnyoke street ya to roka jenisi igo batete nga to musike matiangi omonto oranyale ko manage okoba serious okwane kene dali obolimo eko era bana tuarorire nga tuliko future teyo one Kenya needs a different crop of politicians that is why abantu barorire bana bomotwe osabana abake barorire chimotwe ebagoteba nga omonto bwekora abakonye no monto a planner gose a manager gose omonto manyita administration ekinekera abakonye we've been talking about planning and say to planning ya nga kiere ekerego ikeranga and agere ko bora for example planning ya nga kiere ekera abantu bagotoka batapugatia se bakomenya pi planning ya nga kia kabeire enga planning nga kia arenge ekera abana bagotoka ngambali konyora masomo nga besa chi fees nchi nga serikali de plan ntigore ya masomo gosaba rwaire bako bawe kanyagitari banyora malio goteyo banyora kende nkeyo bagokorerwa yani bago kuba desperate banyagitari mbayo. What happens with our planning? What happens with our planning? Ekero manyagitari ao kolegasi onyora masharo etokolete toyo. Gose muna bono lecturers. That is where talk one ya planning na implementation of development.
So in the spirit of planning,
yes.
You put to talk about no target ekero I think I can see you are a planner. What is the plan you have at hand at least? Ndichi ukura leta usenchira kina
so ko chakro mchando yoro bwechaye bo
ono nguru chinga ngaki gente que tora about we have a solution in Kisii.
Yeah, amanyete a solution. I think the problem ya chai talio bosemeki talio batali tali kende ebintu mbire bibere tutakere gukora. Number 1 etakere kutwara research.
Okay.
To implement research in our farming.
Okay.
There is no research in the non-KTD yoka may not be doing the research. Nto agatwara extension officers bari kumyoke megondo bago somia abantu out of research to ikerega. Research is not being done, for example.
Okay.
Number 2 is marketing.
All right.
Who is doing the marketing for our crop? Inere issue. Marketing yomo ikoyo ngokolete na marketing yomo gusi ngokolete. Echiro ngaibone echire go tutantanere. So we need to sensitize our farmers on the right farming methods, for example, and at the same time we also need to know about who is doing marketing for us.
Okay.
Marketing is done by our leaders.
delegation is baganda isiko
tumanyanga ki imechando nga yemechande berete na ende tutakere ko introduce legislation amachiko arosigu ago safeguard go sago protect omolemi against exploitation. Amaito omolemi ange ya gutumeka kwanyora kibesa kinyinge omolemi ago kora kibesa onyore fraction of 5%, 95% kyagenda so muntu utana gutacha mugono Are you seeing?
Yes.
As in the name of value addition, what bunga yaya na value addition na baba kwa value addition kusa itora kwa value addition aye kwa le tegen tokera bosa yo na gatia bana tu akwa ro banga ile
broker
broker and that kind of brokerage ile ere mechande roro na ne to the issue ya value addition which needs industrialization. Of course, chief factory in each industry. So this industry is to where they go introduce enchera chigo value, chigo maintain value as a chayaito, elinda tokonye. Te abange to simegete, yani slavery eliyo mosongo ya renge, na ndege enderenga, na ndege endrete pakabona. By the way, Aaron, every meli in Africa, ebi asemegetu as a form of slavery. Like that is why most
punishment
thing about tikera abantu bana kole mamogonda tuachire so that we give them 5 shillings bato every meri lakini bagira mwere litukuligima yani bana goteberera mbangainia bateberera mbangainia so that bato kolere gasi bagatokocha kuna gotiga amasikali iga bana kubachwa teme cyari kimogondo baebesa ebasibe mogondo naende baebesa enke babasigo chikongainia basemba basigo chikotenga
babo kama minando
basigo chikotenga bari mogondo. What I'm trying to say is aba Kenya ndutagere ko rienchera cyo tumeke marieke yeito yani na into twesi bole kurwa sobo sibu kurwa slavery eri enkoro by adding value to our crop by doing marketing in the right way. Muna wana okokora business within our continent as Africans. That is one way we decolonize. To create markets within ourselves and amongst ourselves. Anya toko nyanga basongo bali abarabu bago to exploit. We can also look for markets even in other continents like Asia, like Australia, so that we try to liberate ourselves. So exploration of new markets. Another thing, even creating markets within ourselves, encouraging the local people to consume our own crops. Yes. You know that kiyo kanabokera agerenga abantu banjira anye chai arosi byaberengia anye coffee arosi byaberengia indutweka abanyana nabato kwegori our own coffee even with Africa within Africa and other parts of the world. New markets are important. Tikabali ge lichinse muna chito tu achakira ngore ya sana barabu na China. Lakini onye mba koli yenjere kabireyo nyabo gisiringi cyo nyago tigara muna cyarenge nabo sombo otakokora mugondo nabo gotigare kabireyo at the same time onye brokers mba korusigo on the way omolemi na bagotigaro cyane geta matukonze. So legislation netegere ko introduced enjireri yo korusi brokerage nerendo cyereme cyane menge na enchire to chora barai na barabu toligi enchire yo chora barai para be genuine para toligi lichichiro na bara manyanga chibe chito ngai chikoliki na batida byake na chibe chikoliki na serikali nitakeire go introduce machiko yoko keya tax chekro anya molemi o producer ekemelia serikali ate koninta in the form of tax yani intapi yani ya romo lemipi ngane tax. So taxation is also another form of exploitation kokora no necha ligo lio chae liakea no molemi chikonyore genteke genti gara serikali genti gara broker genti gara chichiro chia ngombo chigo to exploiting tra kora value addition as a melvito. So that is our participation moralia as a legislator kanonga guliva kasala as a legislator na batokolige linga ki machiko kitra beke ara protect muremi
ichi kodro aswe bunge lira protect muremi na unega emeremo yomo jumbe oversight registration na representation ono le baba abajumbe ba gosibali ba chole ba go represent e ba go toleresi ono se bodo ya toleresi solamente pura ucha dara so ka yiko pura saidi ko on the same muske egara to atebe kuligera lechi emeremo yomo jumbe amangana yetu kwa nigoro ya registration oversight and representation ikigego konya omwananchi ase enjira yamo gose yende direct gose indirectly tubate role ya kane korukunga development gose ko leta magenda gose implementation ya magenda bitinde biga ikigego leta ikiganja kya NGCDF este bono iga muna tukine tukena waita tomatenga tugukwana mujumbo tarakwana NGCDF ekunguzana kwanya kabako baranga erusigu etigaro echenjigu kiango muno muntu bwate gose muna mabo bali ba bwate ganga yo kuriye garo ke bujumbe ekiganje ke NGCDF no kire mutu yawo eketakere ko rusigu mutu yawo ko sege tigaroro karangi ke ngiriyo ye ganje ke NGCDF
ekiganje ke it's a form of devolution. Yani kutirimbokia enibo kukia sabantu ekikerege kia osakoligele nonye devolution okolero konge okolenga menta ngo chibesa chigende county chisane
tirimbo kibesa
omanyete before devolution ngende kia betekia. I'm not talking about devolution, lakini ngota yabanga amagendera mange ya sukiro chinsemo chinyinge asenge nchebeza ya tirimbogete ekaswa kere county ekaba located share egotumeka within chi county muna antu akine miake menge chi county chile kitanya korano ne para kitana korra kende gyonse. What I'm trying to say ngeringa ekeganja ekegya NGCDF ekero getigalete ase omobunge eine renchera engia nonye no montore olenka aranyare go interact no mobungo ayo nko eneboro mobungo oyera na back ya nabwate besa ego chikomokonya go chikoligere development serikali etambe go ikeria muna bono komanyanga mbana kibara bataka go interase basari serikali nabera ire chingaki otamanyanga abana barute mechimetaka mbarabi igo chibesa chimbu yakire ekaro chitigale taso mobunge mbu yakire lakini mechande robono erandere mebe no oversight chibesa you oversight
so mujumbe na bwate chibesa
na bwate
ngo kumugoli
is oversighting this man
so mheshimiwa kuraogenda I wanted to remind you again take nkora tore the abajumbe but the oversight I mean the role of one of the roles of what se bungene no oversight the government through the ministries to have ko rangirigali aba waziri aba PS bako boli maswala that is oversight could be it now governor and go bare oversight the MCS the Senate through the CECs bara sense my county bono NGCDF yero who now accounts who now oversights these members of parliament
ekina kyo nakina nje toko boli ngaki chibese chi ekero mobunge for example akurwe basari munatagete muna wana abantu baitwa machoga chache bale desana for the last 2 years bako tabange basari enjere ko mbanyero chibune koruwa igo aba machoga abange tali jana kwana aba machoga abange bako tabanga ntoro chibune basari koruwa. In other words, on the tail of what legal authority yogo chiko oversight chibesa chepale ile nga chialenge chibesa tendering ngakiakorwa ngokwa chitenda omobunge can mean to give tenders to his family members and his friends and his cronies. Also sometimes, as we have seen these things happen, and I don't want to give an example. Omobungo omonyene awe korere gas ekina ikiale treme chande menene because yani the oversight is the main problem. Lakini besa jibu ati magoso chibesa chikoletwa saba na inchi jibu ati magoso omontatu ale nkorengia omobunge kawate nkorengia anje tabantu baye na bakurwe basari buya kero mochie obwato obokon onyore basari lakini kero konyoranga abalimu mongena no mwalimu omugaka no mwalimu lakini asenge njare friend ya chairman ya CDF sale asenge njaro mosani womo chumbe omanya kwa uchibesa yani chetani tia matuko chatamboka yani chibesa chiko ande sukuru excess omwana bo motakapi ata anakonyora kende ebinde bitageta nkolengia yani utwara mabera ngakibesa singe yo chalo kete gochi nane gotageta yeah that's the point. So I prefer CDF etigale munere lakini enchereri gigu ya oversight kibese kiri gigu abananchi bakomanya kibese irenga kire narari twakwanira na serikali tutage tumanya ngaki kibese kito boronge irenga kire nande kigo cyatoka ku Rwanda onzi na ikikorwa na ikimanyakana boronga kibese cyaje kingana segete kibese cyatumikira segete omuntu akorete etenda yenye akaparale mete nyarebe anya naganso karo sati nyarebe ngakia yo aganso kaka kibese irenga kanete naenda kene kibese gise ne kikoro sensoko because kero kwaro keti kwa sensi ngeli 200 koroshe nsoko ngi kyo koroshe agansoko
abantu kuri bai muramacha
so era majaro naro mai ega isibiti kwa bari ko bireza kwa no machange gale
neko gotonge
kwa gitera maji na ngeli ngela kile zike 200 so ebindeka birebe kwanyora omo abakaliye gasi bari kire batari gukora gasi ase chiobisi je agwakanwa abantu amarieta aro ayina arotoroje so that kind of mess nerekogera abantu basoyego feeling akikibete jange cyarusu asomo bunge lakini I think that will be a reaction yatabengia kibese kirane ngwene bokire obusiano kati mu bunge n'abantu baye bwaba enhanced especially kali kitumegete buye igo there are social benefits, there are economic benefits, there are intellectual benefits kikorwa asikibese eki kitakere ko retained lakini kirere gwenchirayo
thank you
naro kuboliga nga kibese eki ngukwana kirenge pasa libwenda kaba harmonized toka ngo mochomba kuru pasali yae omugaba nuru pasali yae ne president ne bate pasali yae kuru presidential award
something
ekero ngo geligero lyo mochomba
okay harmonization egento kerabekia lakini bono boronge asomorobelio moronge ango mangana yechibasali tayo asemorobelio nanchi asabirengere byane ango mangana ngachibasali ango ndro kwane buri yechibasali ngakimwe
ndro mwana nabwa
ango to kwana ngaki yokosoma ango to kwana ngaki abana bonse bibakire sukuru ange fees should not be there ango anga serikali yari kuri yenchera yoko make sure nga chisukuru cha public schools they are free kuna chitakera kwa so angonzore kunya ukwanira ngakibasali ange era ngaki chibesa chia public schools are there for free elitokoro ka free education in primary, in secondary, in university
because why
chibesa chonsi piji kwa say ya governor chinde chia wo mujumbe chinde chia wo mo MCA chinde chia wo president.
In fact the women rep
all this money should be integrated and chibesa if there was good planning, we could be planning for free education, free medical care. And when we are going to another contribution, which is HIV, was a cake. We cannot be able to walk to those. About what we are doing, Yara, planning into the medical scheme, I mean, insurance funds, but our colleague in TV. About whatever Queen Yara and Rabana Quira, private schools. Lakini Bono. Ekero kanyaranga it's so difficult wasomi mwana public obate bunge referee the whole day you mwana atumire kibesa obate bunge nyagitali referee na free universal health care muna weka nyagitali kurugeita wasabire besa no watchman yaba then otaraso yegali kutima karanga ikomyo ko so yegali kutima muna weka yaba bunge yegetali yani omonto motaka okosino okoba admitted nyagitali. For example, if you are poor, let me tell you, nyagitali public hospitals in Kenyatta, you cannot admit your patient in Kenyatta. It's a public hospital. Lakini yako ya ndoro na goikomanye nchera omanya wa admit yani it's so difficult even to admit a patient in a public hospital. Just admission what I agree with you na again. I think it would be so good. Anye ndito kwa about free universal health free omonto kana wala njemana na korra nyabitali ngomnyaka. That is what other governments have done. Bona ntuka doko sa ukwana igoro yoko changera health to changere chisemi to changere chipara. I think etorale naende none bintu biri to developing muna wana ara pale kale mubuya abananchi bakaimuka bakaleta marabapara bakamanya beka chipambo and there was an accident wana ngukuminga ki epara tate etu anyorera bokomuga nande mwasore konyerema mokoleta marabapara epara kobutoka you see even our culture yokanembe even what we have struggled to achieve we are not even taking care of what we have struggled to achieve
mutanaro mweshimiwa aba Kenya etobwate negative energy okonyoranga onyene para yale mukira segete aba Kenya amusin kiro monda ko mukiri gene eri mabekese para iyo na be para yo eteka ari mwanyoranga mwanzi kiro monda mukiri bukombe mwanje meki yaba wasi mwale masai kamera monda semba gena umuntu tanye sumekeri toke muwaje ekomboli mugondo aganyo ati kuriju sumekeri toke
again I don't know sometimes running to wananchi much as to kuranga mtoto yatama gandraya there's something now which during the Gen Z demonstrations abantu bagenda demonstrations pare bekire bakerami omonde no abori tietindo anda kwirumuranga na frustration yakora
again
akoroki chese serikali but this one ndina bwata kerongo encourage abantu bamachoge mujumbo no incoming nkobori ari umatekera koborigo nyasaka kumukonya ndabako nabo kubori swali abantu bamachoge by the way basa ringa kumukonyora and those na abakenya bonsi atwa machoge simi umachoge chacha namuwa kesi mwedra sana 0741583878 usasa semeri ya Facebook na watu nyara mna Gatembe TV na kwa sasa semeri ya YouTube mwana mheshimiwa mtogate abajumbe bogate kit and from your explanation needing explanation ya yaringenga again taking what makego keep in touch mwananchi no jumbe abas mean the women res bogate ntokanga ngafa I think na rongo keep it in touch I say I think we don't have a war development fund if I'm not wrong and including our senators so rero igabantu bamachoka chache ba ko elected batebanga we see your potential gwachire bunge and comes maitaba senatente enchira nere ba legislate ama chikonara ba gweti pare ngento tokuna mucho ose they depend on one another wikakero bunge wikakende senate egera e consensus sima gotoka nari pakambwate komite tokurokanga mediation I think there's a mediation kerbago isransa ba kwanira machiko gete aliare senate and maybe bunge dero wa isranzire bunge ebiri achirenga the senators need a development fund tikatonyiro kanga November urende timatuna turani tikatonyiro
senate oversight fund
senate oversight fund do you think you will be in support of it
for senators to
have that fund
to have that fund at least and you could keep in touch na baruna abananchi ba
yani babo nyara wikera abantu bose constituency okay bono amaite nakiki nateba na kwa na king any planning erengia these funds would be unnecessary you know it would be unnecessary lakini for the current situation the way it is Senate mono I think ere asema na oversight na kuligereria what is the National Assembly what the performance of the National Assembly machiko ya etiri so that in area yamanya ko ya eti as a final process so tindo jinga mono reaction I mean interaction between the Senate na abantu nere igoro abantu wananchi tindiko ranga nere igoro mono because mostly bale as a Senate it may not be necessary to me it may not be so necessary timai dia abantu wanu na bara feel but to me I don't feel it's so necessary.
Why do you as an MP you have a kitty for you you keep in touch na wananchi why don't senators have you keep abantu we county
obuna barale bwana na jibuna ankeroje that's my feeling that's the way it is I think naona kala kebegete but as oversight nero to get a oversight the money and the funds in the account era kala ko nande and ngocha como oversight
bono le ndio
getting more problems
then if it is so then we should leave to tinga omojumbe na era oversight a national government minus CDF.
As a representation yonsi Sam, a representation yonsi sense ya Kenya. Abantu boka babugata chipesa, abantu bakuruku, abajumbe, abo babugata nti bakabagumande. Abandi bonsi ibaroronga timatinga mujumbe ngore ngati ko se baranga bakirwana bakoranga te bamenda chipesa bakementa over and above registration oversight na representation bakemenda implementation bakebekera chipesa and elo poli yego chiraga parliament na the law making organ na bagara tali ichikolindiriyo
otabenge bara selfish
bakera simi tukatura atira kuchia tura nyora ga ituchia tamaye gone koranga ibini ngaidigo but at the end of the day kero kulgira nande sometimes bono karo flip the coin from the other side konyoranga abajumba aba bagwate reference kete gwetera se NCDF NCDF wengo bugate ngogerere no ane chingura karo nyono etuzo pimana ne county ga konya gusina karo mu jumba ata ko pimana chingura mono mu governor egenda gutumeka CDF isi kutoka CDF teyo abantu chinde bali ko mna ba musiyo ba musitare ko kwana ile ba musiyo ba kora kamna bantu bale progress because mbabuga tikende musiye tago chasime kono ne litoke kenyoro ne yuka usira saya muguko so inawe bali to kanyoranga iga tutagete gutwara chinguru gete chinguru story yo bogama bora gane chibe so mai I think that's why ita go chikoba konkuru sikanje ka NCDF koruaroro egarande bakaranga tegatora rutaka igo chi turute go chesana tikake turute go chi ngaf moinaga ke egartore na ba musinga jira boromba enda the MCS members of council assembly forum na bakata na bombate ekiti kiabo kile independent kitanga so no mugavana no mugavana gocha e word ya ne take for example otabanga na abaire chipasali cia 3 million kusama gendero development 3 million 3 million yechitari mwamusi yoewa
no mugavana nero kuchiala through the budget
anya mwamusi yobarikwa no mugavana
but what happens and again mheshimiwa tienda kwenye tete ndongera kwa nini paka na nyoro mjimbo yamo of course kurugusika when they had a discussion about the NGCDF abantu bakatabang amaino sekonda sichi kwerende bakande barule chibasari ekende kitikyo mwananchi in fact mjimbo yo kama yotabanga it will take you time you will need a microscope the microscope corona
mjimbo gavana
koriwe take in case we have I think case we get 13 billion
yeah
13 billion against the 100 million per financial year it will take you time and a microscope correct again taba governor ba correct but it will take you some time
uko jigota no CDF
so actually mna nkora aba bunge bale ba kole ega singia tu CDF bali genuine and bantu abantu babo it's money that you can see no boli abantu wananchi abako represented serikali ne yabo boka na bawa tebinga ki inche omonto okunire in this family manyete no mobunge. So that kind of feeling inerengia ekogera toranyalo justify the continued existence of CDF. Asengenjo mwana mobunge ebasari ya iro mochi omobunge epaka para kae karole kanire mobungo ndole mire egesima yarole kanire chi constituency chire okogenda muna bana the renowned Ndindi Nyoro's constituency akogenda kwanyora chiskuru chinyingi paka chibekire chitairi. You know, that is evidence of good work that is going on. So when you talk about and when you talk about counties, chi county chi constituency no nisa to gosenyi lakini all the billions 10 billion 20 billion may not be witnessed chiakora paka yaika chinde chibas chera na go chi treasury Korua Sechi County, yet you may not witness a lot of development within the county. So, lakini Karoko and most constituencies, at least Naboko, abako raski we jiro
But the-
when you go to
Okay.
families even when you go to families abako nemech abako tebunga antu ay uchiri bwisana antu ay uchiri bunya basasa form of basari which means chibes chia CDF ngo ikera chira abantu mono ko bua chibesa chinde chance chindo that's why MPs can justify
So you've given a chance Wasoire Bunge and the motion ya chirenga I think 100 million per financial year the watu wale want achievement tebeno yani achievement so you could advocating achievement asenge katika CDF.
Yeah, you could.
Negendo musikamenta abwata babunche na abwatire kurwe sale mono ngelinga chigiri wenjera chikaba oversight. Chigiri wenjera
Bona kana boring go they do something tangible. If you have an opportunity watchment.
Yeah, saying into chikukuna direct development as a constituency. Chimentu na chiba oversight. Eme chande menene yechibesechi oversight na matumizi mabaya. Ebi ntobira wana bitagere kuligere how tenders are awarded to who transparency oversighting akichibese kinaleka chabe chatumikire kimanyekane chabe kwa sarabu ngakichibese chene chalenge chibese nganaika chatumikire some constituencies do that chibese chire pinned out there 10 kilometers chibese chatumikire nechi you can go there and witness
but I think according to the constitution my CDF to yebwate ne rosiri chikoria actually I could clarify if at all na no what woman according to the constitution actually chibasa cha CDF igochiwo kuna amangana education ya kuna amangana security tinga geretinge parango chira unless ye pareliere ange guchi school ero I think na voto ko ya
classified chibarangire classified chonsi para yo mugavana nero ya serikali nero yo mujumbe nero ke yo MCA nero
lakini yo mujumbe bakro ke yo mujumbe actually the government does it Wetro Mujumbe agakoba just a patron. We call them patrons, I think. Serikali nego kora lakini wetrase
I think it is the same because knowledge was a CDF maten chiko sasa mbuko bo Mujumbe direct. Chiko sasa abantu bakoga CDF managers na committee yende. Na se tayo tinga sasa nare Mujumbe go sign direct ringa bono ichemuno Mujumbe na sign ile gachi wa stock. Lakini yende abantu abaro office na abantu bae. I think no ago so na ndira.
Chiparanjiro chire chio Mujumbe agotumia chibesa cha CDF oro si chiparanjiro county allocated to cha somo MCA amakoli abali ali akona koigora mali naro na bagochoga ase county assembly basi ogamba okoraki o allocation gake oganda naro igora makoli otika bana chipara cha CDF inchire managed na agency na wana kura na kera you know the MP must come here as a county akolega asina na engineers from the ministry ba makwalise guys so it works on the roads even muna mache it can do in the schools it can do in matters of security there are areas where CDF is allowed to work fees in form of bursaries they are located.
Thank you sana mheshimiwa Sawo Sangama
na mangana sports same ya sports nero asomo bunge
nero
agokora but in some constituencies pesa are located to sports
actually sports kwende ya the constituency level na beta rokana mono because into what culture I think in the county government into what the Ministry of Culture and Sports and all those endo chete chida kemeno ngebere nanye igore chinsa inyecha wangu tukokera kusanga no mheshimiwa Zakari kwa sensemeri ya machoge chache uyo tagete koboria wa nanchi bensemeri pamwe chinguru eke anyara koboga so ase ebunge ototo kero togendete konya gukore ena banagania turaswa sensemeri ya siasa bwana kidogo turamanya ngakia maberera usiasa
abo masiasa ndafa mojumbe nera irore mara mange sana katanya ko rupujara di Muranga ko Masimba katanya murayusa karinaisa inepi abona bo bara itagete sekenya yaito ana neti jini bale nige jire rakina na butambo mai dese media usi eto ko chunjuga ai de irore sana katanya ko rata kerte re ndi ko tara so manando mata ala sio jago ko wa ya ko nyanja te muri fa mo se mesia ora kinen to nyali ba ndo sama
to Simba ya Marani watabungana watu tegerima na abantu banje 07415838 nere namba ya studio Vega oranyara ko bosanga amana into Vega abere ga siasa busi mashimo ya roka ndako ba ndanyiro ko no munyaroka gete bono iga usi kiro murai no atagete gocha ndwaro mo konyi bo murai wense igacha busi ochemara kianda moda na chire no antara kaniti subuwa yali ko inkie kire ko pushi abantu bache gusia
morali no maete ke gusiuna ke gotera ngensinyo
manego
makwano gobe igo ngamba maraba bata iyo etabuate gusine wata ba maraba na kyoroche tutakwane rubobe bana bamura mu muramatiangi liboli eyanyagaliense
maraga
tutarachi goika maraga ndomo ndoma yanyagaliense boronge ke mapi no mu muramatiangi akanyagaliense abantu bono bagotacha gusio gotacha gwe eyale konyale kananga amosike matiangi tayo Kiara maraga tari ero gerete ba komnya to gocha gusi.
Okay. Yo kire kiao.
Maraga traba chanda. Ya maraga are ko mambu ko lenge. Nkwale karama kindi kirana nyata.
So ya matiani.
Oh my god. No musike Alfredo que no matiani. Pharmacy yes. Ega imogeta akanyagaliense naende bono agachaga twara support ya bakenya abana bali abakemu aroche ebimwele usikera bakorwana bagatebo monto baroche bara support ora baletera mabadiliko Fredo Kengo Matiangi gende kinkelia gentege kemunora kerengera limorali ekine gentege komusana n'abana aba ngaiba rusikisemi cyo kwana ngomonto batagetenyarebe ekine gentege kom ekagera moiko ibuno kona gocha abantu bonsi bakaimoga Kenya bagatebi musike Matianga utakorwa abo asole aho kolega ase
vacancy atokira
o chokonya abantu baito omusike Matiangi aso kuigwera kwaye amaena ga na resign gasi koiranire Kenya natagete gotorwanira muna abagusi aturwanire muna abakenya aturwanire muna aba Africa ekora karo monta bere president e continent yae akonyirwanira engino iberereri ngane ri agusi na ri agarire na nyana sakali ere kirogo bono ikumitinga omo muroyo ngakia gocha gobengenche kabire ngakibana togokora igori ibereri agusi muna kwa no moraria eri mogete na nenko endorale koimoka mono asengenche ya Fredo Kengo Matiangi no monguso orio yabwate ase mwamugusi na ase ngima na South Africa ngima igo naona basongo bamenya weka bamanya nga Fredo Kengo Matiangi nimo igaba gusinto bwateli bagari abene kya twanzi twanyodo mumura okanyagaliense getegetaligenda
na rori tukulia lero ni galenga se county ya Nakuru asanya kwa kumira negati abasaya onyaka baga gusangana barabu ase njira yo bwagale na nyara kabaga kubolibwa igoro ya eganga ya gusemira buli nyaka batangani ga Robert kujigotalira chi county chionse mrongene na isanda ibere eliko nyara kabaga kwemanyikani ase ekiama ana mana se kiama ya chupiri tima tinga yo mine tinga igoro dio musike Matiangi chaldre ngan chupiri yale otigire byama byagusi gose arrangement nga kira nanto kubwata neyo ditukule go nanto de kiama abo bwata be kiama kya UPN na roga tabanga bado musike Matiangi no ale taranya la kiama go strato kiama kya ebene nganeke lakini no ale akoligyo bosani sebali bakwamereria serikali bali bakoligye kirogo elinda banyako babakumusira nanda ko medara yongo lengi tinga ito tima yitindi shuwa gosana yo mabo kwa lengi bali baje Nairobi na raka Nairobi maito era Nairobi State House go
asana chede Rescos esta wa National Convention na watu avera Moskouru na alenge nere chairman ye party
leader
is the party leader of Jubilee na Moskema tiangina na alenge muno mogeni na indumna delegates na watu alenge toka kwa na chimine ticharengo aroro toka ruaroro and the indication neronga Moskema tiangi na ba ekonyale kana cha Jubilee ande ekera ekonyale kana igotemine tingo divorce ebya mabinde muna bya ba upa wose ondara isokonyagari nga divorce ekyo okunogo chora I think Jubilee as a party nebwate structures cha kongire because it has been in existence for long so tokonye compare na upa naende karo koligere bya Jubilee kwa nyoranga nebwate a national outlook yani mnaona katwa NDC abantu barwete chance ward chance NDC they are representatives of they are from all constituencies so which means it's a party that we can choose almost kama can choose it njitini spokesman na njengo kwa na maoni yane lakini ababu ya chora na naboke como sabu na ndeke to sabu na bake Jubilee is a party ya gambire Kenya at that point so it's not a tali kiama ora compare na ebia maybe kema na upa biko chaka bona ekine kiama gya kongire so asako toko chiro rage chole I think ara chakere anya chingas challenge ikomi ara chakere was number 8 which number 10
so what I'm trying to kerna na gotegera wante banga no kwarenga stand this year Jubilee and then omogeni na rengo kurkumatian omogeni ya manta bange na roche online conversation omogeni otairi bagakwane na kwarengo was it necessary or was it yarenga kikindari abante kukwana enjera
nyangi abangire naba yabangire
okay
hano rende bonse bale kukwana ase nyangi yabangire na yabangire
nago comment yabo muske jera makioni na sokia gakwana matuka bwange gagatebanga ngende kama kyabo kyali kogera muske matiangita kwana ngelinga egenda kama kyabe ikina kyabe getu bosubwe kagambero amaminja ikyamo gya Jubilee ngelinga ya Jubilee ngyaliganitie abantu batari bagwatani bekyamekyo ochaze Jubilee abwesera ira yoro yomobo bagakwana egende gegatishia okoba nullified kwa resolution chaba tamediga kwanza chinde onye matianga tare so kyara cheste gusaili kimuno mu bwatani bwikya mu ya Jubilee ale gocha kukwana na byango cha kobe afinyu yo muntu kaenda kotininga ne stranger kwako
and I think moralia oyo renge kin SPG president ya wata mangana yonsi ya ansita mangana yonsi nga emengusana na ya president ya tebede nga tumezungushwa tumetezwa lakini ikonomo gwete nga siasa ne ya renga sepati unkwa abijimuna ya kutora netu faction ya emeka nda uchikioni wende kanda babo kanini ke nabo ikonomo manyete nga emesuko mneyo ere judicial yani ere tanga tebe ere yake machiko yake machiko digo nabo ekolete sepati I think mbamba como ali bagakwane ande etua cheto delegates wacho akorugite tu abeta screen dinga wikosa as a delegate because kanya batwalire experience yake before so that's why they could not allow non-delegates entering into the party.
Tokende kwenye kusangayo mchengego mungwana nara watabanga tembenche na tanonyambo kuruga nyabyo tobu machoga chache inkwani Honorable Zachary Nduso aka Olympic mwambie tuko pamoja mugori inga imerogirikiye babegete no muskemate nyime gusi abagori na rare wagendrete okonya abana kintakana asa masomo kwikabono ngai aikiri umurobyo kero gendete go mushikuria ya mungwana yotongere message usirisha bikiri eri mogaiga mheshimiwa kero kuligeria the formation of political parties we can't avoid that it was ethnic based na kuchira tuware national outlook lakini osapowati mizizi you find out na nere mezizi ya foundation ya nere kuru a certain community or an ethnic group in our country talk the chama ya ODM talk of the Jubilee talk UPA Kenya by the way we talk of UDA nkebwate na bokoranga the genesis it's from a certain ethnic community in our country. Why couldn't Matiang'i come and form maybe was not even forming was also maybe UPA 92 so to are was to tell about Mugusi na to are side. You know, people talked about especially about Yemba Tabenga ODM has been misusing Abagusi. Esa igere inde ba thanga kibono we are planting into Mugusi to are side. Why couldn't Matiang'i come with this side?
Matiang'i tara declare nganju bilia kogenda. That is for one.
All right.
But in the event I go declare nganju bilia kogenda, it will be good news because ere egente kemo abantu abange abamwanchire Kelinga Tali is not partisan, he is not an ethnic warrior. Ogochaka bone the orientation eri enkoro nona abana baje nisiba kandi ngaki tutageti monto gotoira the old style. He's a national leader. So kerago so ekiama egetali getabuati that ethnic orientation. I think is evidence enough of the leadership in him. Asa konyare kanango so akaso that is evidence enough of the leadership in him ngaki no monto obwate a national orientation. Otagete koligeli Kenya as a country, not Kenya muno Mugusi. I think that would be good for me. That would be good. Mama ngana yo kabila bose vyama vile inclined to a single party, I mean a single ethnic community ebimbia sirete etake pia kiama kebwata national outlook mtu abwate watu wengi kiarenge mono ikiomo Mugusi nande amaene kara tu avalta chikura na watu wengi Mugusi chinge charo etakurwase aso Mugusi lakini nyacha ameni Matiang'i sabo chaka that kind of politics igori ori no nyine kiraba Kenya omokagerete tari ere yara ale oro
the perception will change.
Okay.
Na ngola ngisa mna chinza na jechi yelire sana cyamye kirendo jeji kidaiga gitigarete ange mirongo ibiri cyokaiga toige chinza isano cyeli tukaliga lya lya ijuma na oho mapo Mugusi na abarai anamana bali more active bali mo koligibiro aho omo bobu Mugusi ekarabo kwane Rwanda ndine bo affect directly or indirectly ndoro mujumba mukorwe bunge ya kitutu masaba maske Timothy Musire oko kutware bikaro kana alia okoliye chinchira cyoko tebanga ntachindiga ganeti Mugusi ya chamu ka imukie bandu bagatanga ntachinne kiamata takoro kiamaka korunge kyo Mugusi le bitabinde abo mo Mugusi mbore achieve ponande which way forward say abo mo Mugusi.
I think our Mabwe Kabira can be achieved to a certain percentage.
That absolute.
And it cannot be 100%. Jerateo or Atenga Bonavantu Avira. Our Mabwe family cannot be achieved 100%.
Okay.
Now, you know, Mongina, no Mogaka, they will struggle. We can rob Pakabaku and say, so human beings cannot be homogeneous. Bantu bago tu ara kerenga kama pagendenga bona ba chirenchireyam. Bantu bago got the freedom of thinking, freedom of thought, freedom of expression. You have a right to your own ideas. Lakini rende a culture sometimes tends to shape people. Barenga linchireyam, bakitinchireyam, and bagenda to the same orientation. Abaluya mwabaligere.
Yes.
But I'm about Luya unity. Which sometimes becomes a problem. Maybe Sakubiriko Chipitari Kukwana ya unity, every more united. Yes, they have never been united. They are singing about Luya unity, Etanya Lekane. This is unity, Etanya Lekane. So Avanto, Taliaba Coletu Amo, Avanto Bago Tuara, every angle Livimo, Bamanyakobamo. Taliokoba, you don't whip them into the same thinking. Lakini Avanto Caravanio live and get Vigo Cherana, Amo, Ebako Buatan. I think in one studio, you become friends with Carmo to live and get it. So I think the unity of Mugusi, bono it's more than ever before ncha sokorige likwana it has already been achieved no ndo koteba ngambo ne koligwa I think talibone koligwa omo gusibo naiga is more united omo gusi orientation yabwate bonaiga omo gusibo ronge otige ababwate manganabo experience political experience yani kwenyorra kwa kisiasa ndagera tokorige abagusi bagukwana ndagera bakoriye baraba kemono baraba bale lakini abagusi batanga barumatiangi it's 99.999%.
Thank you. Koto gukora rede because of change. ODM had a celebration. ODM neregusi.
ODM asapati.
Yes.
ODM asapati neregusi. It has been there. Lakini kero embego change. Terminating ODM teyo. ODM will continue existing in Busi. Ntobwate aborai nabono borai we county eboranda ODM morai to Simbarati no kasano manere nere gavana yaito nere tomanyete nande ndomusigete nande ndomwanjete buna bagusi it goes without saying. So ODM nere gusi ODM tragosa kende gusi trateba ngado no blame was tonyerwani. It's a party that has been so popular in Gusi, and the way they will conduct them, the party will conduct itself which moina it will still remain relevant lakini intomo Gusi intoma ngane party ntobuga problem ne party intwega ntobuga te kamongalinga ki a presidential candidate yaito irrespective of the party tarato tebine no ne party. Are you seeing? So we have no problem with the parties. We are talking about our son. We are not talking about the parties. Erna anja to ODM. Tumambi na toka and ODM. Are you seeing now? So we have no problem. Ento buga dengelinga ki omogusi into to nyore candidate yeto. Chipati chirikiro oro. Ne chiaga existed the way they are going to conduct themselves, the way they will treat omogusi na bago tigaro oro. Lakini into karanga to buga kamongelinga ki we will support our son into presidency. Ekina kitowe bata karanga.
Show us the signal. So called it ginga tora kwa na buja anaba menyi be bunge ya Machoka chache ngeli yao onyara kwa kubayarira aya masa yamo igoro yakindi gyo kilodanya kwa kubatali magaro ya lero
Tiganda so much investment among the MPs aspirant of Machoka Church. The man well known as Olympic Schools is among the brilliant leaders who can change us constituency into right direction. We know more Mugaba Tegali, Rafu Super from Keumbu, also is the kind of leadership and ideologies Kenyans need. Baraga, every to okay, total
no libagani liao nyalako kwana no mo ligerali kurwase ebunge ya Machoka bana ine message talyo magusita talyo makaje ine message yo monto mo menyo Machoka chache was taras na bo menyo so odebwe nsi kwatendera sina Machoka chache se kamera yo.
So ase abantu bana ba Machoka chache enale koirenga ke ko bakwani na ko basabira maya na kubasabire bisibya manene nale kubatebinga asenge encho yo boraiba 2027 ndotake twero ko presidential vacancy chi ward ene to choro borayo buya to chore president yengia to chore mo MPMia no mo MCA eko revi ntobugate obosibole gukweli ya barai asobo chori nabo Machoge nale kubatebinga onduso njeni mbwate birengeli bia ega sina bakorera mu Machoge munyeroche asense mweji semi naende mara moko ngalibaga nitafanya kazi nzuri wikankole kazi ngia asense mweji semi okugenderera gisemi mono munabona iga abana nakonyire mu Machoge chache abande batabwati abaiboli abande babwate mechando mbali mbali asi family mbali mbali abana bayitera amabokane barase oborai aho bakorire bia abande bale chisukuru bagenda kuri gisemi cyabo mumanyete egasi nabakoreire nale ko batebire ne mumanye ngana iyo naratutagete mu Machoge bone tegeto monto e manager era nyale ko manage constituency onye ntoko choro monto mu manager ntoko isa ko itabara ibal toko choro because management mbanye bwati so nale goteba goetanigo nale goteba machoge nganto bwate responsibility yoko bwata ebibande asa abana bali abake na kubwata chikura aso bonge elinde machoge ebene constituency eko determine umora yumuya at all levels kurwe constituency gotira bako presidency igo again tunale kwenikare cy'abantu ba minto gelinga ponsi pe bwate chikura na ende kerego chawika engakio waka chikura togenda twesoki elinde to chora baraya baya nanto bwate sie abarai muna Fredo Kengo Matiangi asengencho inero mwana itune into bwate korusi togo chibwate gelia igo machoge into bwate responsibility naba abantu bande ke barabarora machoge bintu bakorire na becho kirebuya ayinto nyagokera mona busi itengima na nyamira se kisi na nyamira ayina rubusi yaita so nale ko basabira maya machoge ba minto katoko na kweligia toko na kwebolia toko na kurigeria njira tolegendereria na nditumanye ngo barayo buyambotakeire obuo boratoka se omusikeza Karionduso oimokoro Olympic.
Thank you sana mheshimiwa. I think wekeragabu autoto na utwara gukorera bimana mheshimiwa so wancha wika sense mega studio ekatunyara gusanga amonai na wegasko chesa bari na bategere ni tukobakira ngambye mona singi chukwere bagarino utotegere na kogokera emirobiri ya FM na bego Getembe TV tutobere ni ngambye mona na ndemo tware ubotukuburu bya tumete mheshimiwa na buranya wanga no gwata maiga
amaigade amange nare ko yaira saba kusibonze specifically aba machoge nenkwa ni abandigereti bali bandigereti matabanga batabande ba baralire andi wensi ondigereti amaigane ngayo nandi yankwa nende sweetheart yani ko tabita okanganyerete ngayako ya gorwa yamokwa na bana bane Silvia na Labani na Bugali asebale my brothers Joel my family generally my father my mother na bakwaniri abakaniri marabo bengia abantu baita bonze na ino abarali na ina bakwani na benya saba kwani
mwanzo muligere limbe mona senje basanga mona into ngolengi tuiranda sense ma radio senjera bene kirali tukoye juma engwana ya Getembe no tojiko ba togocha masa ya mo korwa sense ma radio akaro na mangana maya yense ma TV ko araiga ngotokomera na sense ma radio na samu miyenda magaji kamera ko kwanga Lucas Mogaka Wilfred Matundra na boy go director of production Josephat Sungura kenda ko torbuli ya Getembe TV ekiwa kia Mugusi na boy go abotegera ya Getembe FM 102.7 ekiwa kia Mugusi ndio tena kwa toka semani toko manyania toko kanikira lituko kochia seri nengo ko ni ototo nyangiri obo tukobya
nande mheshimiwa Josephat na wateganga ndo tutomanya tata cha tata mko ro tukobya